When you buy a pickup truck, you expect power, durability, and the ability to handle any challenge thrown its way. But not all trucks are built to last, and some models can leave you stranded faster than you'd think. Today, we are diving into the least reliable pickup trucks, the ones that might not even make it to 50,000 miles before causing you major headaches. Before you make a buying decision, watch till the end. It could save you a lot of money, time, and frustration. Kicking off our list is the Dodge Ram 1500 from 2014 to 2016. These models may look tough, but behind that rugged exterior lies a mountain of problems. Owners of this Ram often report one glaring issue after another, especially with the transmission. After only about 30,000 miles, my truck started making these strange noises while shifting. Then, one day, it just stopped right there in the middle of the road. Repairing the transmission cost me nearly $4,000. Repair costs can add up quickly, often ranging from $3,000 to $5,000, which is a hefty price to pay on top of what you have already invested in the truck. These Ram models have a transmission that, unfortunately, is notorious for early failure. And it's not just the transmission. Electrical issues and suspension problems have owners coming back to the shop way more often than they should. So, if you are looking at a used Ram, think twice. You might end up spending more on repairs than you'd ever expect. Next on our list is the Nissan Titan, specifically the 2017 and 2018 models. Nissan put a lot of effort into making the Titan a serious player in the truck market, but they didn't exactly hit the mark. Owners of these models have faced frequent fuel system failures and unreliable transmissions. I have seen a lot of Nissan Titans with fuel system issues and transmissions that don't seem to last. Some customers come in after only 35,000 miles, frustrated with repairs that just keep adding up. One owner we spoke to spent over $2,500 fixing fuel system issues alone, and that's not including other costly repairs down the line. At first, I loved my Titan. But then, at around 40,000 miles, I was facing problem after problem. Even after paying for repairs, I couldn't trust it. So, if you want a truck that will go the distance, the Titan might not be your best bet. You could end up spending more time at the mechanic than on the road. Even the Silverado, a staple in the pickup truck world, had a major misstep with its 2015 model. The Silverado 1500 is known for being reliable, but this model year left many owners with severe engine issues. The 2015 Silverado 1500 has some serious engine issues. We have had customers dealing with power loss, stalling, and in some cases total engine failure before hitting 50,000 miles. It's a big disappointment for Chevy fans. One major engine repair could cost you up to $7,000, and that's if you catch it early. Otherwise, you could be looking at a complete engine replacement. I bought the truck because of Chevy's reputation, but by 45,000 miles, I was already having to replace major components. It's been a headache I didn't see coming. Our next pick might surprise you. Ford's F-150 is one of the best-selling trucks in the world, but the 2010 model has left some owners with a sour taste. The 2010 F-150 is notorious for electrical and engine issues that show up way too early. Electrical issues are common with the 2010 F-150. I have had customers come in with failing sensors, flashing lights, and problems that just keep coming back. Electrical repairs alone can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000, and that's not including other engine-related problems. If you are looking at an older Ford F-150, consider this. You might end up spending thousands just to keep it running. Finally, we have the Toyota Tundra, specifically the 2007 model. Toyota's known for reliability, but this Tundra model has had serious issues with rust, and it's no small problem. Some owners have had to scrap their trucks due to frame rust that compromised the vehicle's entire structure. Rust isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's a safety hazard. If your frame is rusted out, the truck becomes unsafe to drive. In some cases, these trucks were scrapped because repair wasn't worth it. Some Tundra owners have faced repair costs exceeding $5,000 just to address rust, and that's if it was even possible to fix. If you're considering an older Tundra, check for rust. It could be a costly mistake. So there you have it, 5 of the least reliable pickup trucks that might not even make it to 50,000 miles without hitting some serious bumps in the road. Trucks are supposed to be dependable, but as we have seen, even the biggest names have models that might just leave you stranded. Remember, always do your research before you make that purchase. Buying a truck is a big investment, and the last thing you want is to spend thousands on repairs. Let us know in the comments, have you had experience with any of these trucks? What other models do you want us to cover? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with more videos like this.